Hello automotive enthusiast. 2026 Porsche Taycan Turbo GT, engineering the world's fastest electric track weapon. This isn't just another fast electric car. This thing feels like a physics experiment that somehow became road legal. Meet the Porsche Taycan Turbo GT. And honestly, it may be the most extreme electric performance machine Porsche has ever created. Because the Taycan Turbo GT wasn't engineered simply to dominate drag races. It was engineered to destroy racetracks. That's a completely different challenge. Straight line speed is easy with electric torque. Sustained performance? Repeated punishment? Precise driver feedback at insane speeds? That's where most EVs start falling apart. But Porsche attacked those weaknesses obsessively. And the moment attack mode activates, everything changes. 1092 horsepower explodes instantly through the dual motor system. The acceleration doesn't feel normal anymore. It feels violent. Like the car compresses distance faster than your brain can process naturally. And honestly, that's only half the story. Because raw power means nothing if the car overheats after a few hard laps. That's why Porsche focused heavily on thermal management engineering. Advanced cooling systems constantly regulate battery temperatures, motor efficiency, and power delivery under extreme load. The Taycan Turbo GT isn't designed for one fast moment. It's designed to repeat that performance relentlessly. Lap after lap. Corner after corner. That's Nürburgring level engineering. Then there's the WISAC package. And this is where Porsche gets serious. Weight reduction everywhere. Less insulation. Lighter components. More aggressive aerodynamic tuning. The car sacrifices comfort for speed with almost ruthless focus. And honestly, that obsession transforms the entire driving experience. The steering feels sharper. The chassis reacts instantly. The car stays unbelievably composed at terrifying speeds. Most electric performance cars feel digitally fast. The Taycan Turbo GT still feels mechanical. You sense the grip levels. You feel weight transfer. You understand exactly what the chassis is doing underneath you. That tactile connection is what separates Porsche from almost everyone else in the EV world. Because they didn't just build a fast electric sedan. They engineered an electric driver's car. And maybe that's why the Taycan Turbo GT matters so much. It proves the future of performance doesn't have to feel emotionally disconnected. Electric speed can still feel alive. Precise. Aggressive. Addictive. And after pushing this machine beyond conventional limits. Honestly, the future of track performance suddenly sounds a lot quieter, but far more terrifying. So now the question becomes: has Porsche officially created the ultimate electric track weapon? Or can digital performance never fully replace the emotional chaos of gasoline supercars? Because after experiencing the Taycan Turbo GT, the line between machine and pure physics starts disappearing completely.